Hello friends, let's learn some colors name. Dark blue color, violet color, teal color, green color, pink color, red color, orange color, yellow color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A for animals. B for butterfly. C for caramel. D for duck. E for elephant. F for fox. G for goat. H for house. I for ink. J for jellyfish. K for kite. L for lotus. M for mango. N for nose. O for oil. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for school. T for teacher. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for Xerox. Y for yak. Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Oh, let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, purple color, dark green color, black color, dark blue color, violet color, yellow color, orange color, brown color, pink color, light green color, red color. Let's learn some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, number 16, number 17, number 18, number 19, and number 20. Red color. Number 1. Number 1. Light green color. Number 2. Number 2. Pink color. Number 3. Number 3. Brown color. Number 4. Number 4. Orange color. Number 5. Number 5. Yellow color. Number 6. Number 6. Violet color. Number 7. Number 7. Dark blue color. Number 8. Number 8. Black color. Number 9. Number 9. Dark green color. Number 10. Number 10. Purple color. Number 11. Number 11. Sky blue color. Number 12. Number 12. Red color. Number 13. Number 13. Light green color. Number 14. Number 14. Purple color. Number 15. Number 15. Yellow color. Number 16. Number 16. Violet color. Number 17. Number 17. Red color. Number 18. Number 18. Black color. Number 19. Number 19. Dark green color. Number 20. Number 20. Let's count the number again. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, number 16, number 17, number 18, number 19, and number 20. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.